When you are depressed, every day feels heavy. Simple things like getting out of bed or taking a shower can feel like climbing a mountain. But here's the truth: depression doesn't mean you are weak. It means your mind and body need gentle care. And one of the best ways to start healing is to follow a simple daily routine. In this video, I'll share a step-by-step daily routine for beating depression. Small habits, done each day, can slowly bring back energy, joy, and hope. Morning routine. 1. Wake up at the same time. Depression often makes you want to sleep too much or too little. A regular wake-up time resets your body clock. Even if you feel tired, get up. Sit on the edge of your bed. Take one deep breath. That's your first win. 2. Let in natural light. Open your curtains or step outside for a few minutes. Sunlight boosts serotonin, which lifts mood and helps you feel more awake. 3. Drink water first. Start your day with a glass of water. Hydration wakes up your brain and body. It's a simple step, but it makes a difference. 4. Move your body gently. You don't need a hard workout. Stretch, walk, or do a few yoga poses. Movement releases endorphins, the body's natural mood lifters. 5. Eat a healthy breakfast. Even if you don't feel hungry, try something light, like oatmeal, fruit, or eggs. Stable blood sugar helps stabilize your mood. Midday routine. 6. Break your tasks into small steps. Depression makes big tasks feel impossible. So, break them down. Instead of saying, "I need to clean the house," say, "I will wash one plate." Small steps create progress. 7. Take breaks and breathe. When you feel stressed, pause for 1 minute. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth. This calms your nervous system. 8. Stay connected. Depression wants you to isolate, but even short connections help. Send a text. Call a friend. Say hello to a neighbor. Social contact, even small, reduces loneliness. 9. Eat a balanced lunch. Choose foods that support your brain: vegetables, whole grains, and protein. Avoid too much junk food, because sugar crashes can make depression worse. Afternoon routine. 10. Do one thing you enjoy. When depressed, pleasure feels distant. But doing even one small enjoyable activity helps retrain your brain. Listen to music, draw, read, or spend time in nature. 11. Practice gratitude. Write down one thing you are grateful for. It could be as simple as "I drank tea today" or "I saw the sky." Gratitude shifts focus away from negative thoughts. 12. Limit negative inputs. Scrolling endlessly on social media can increase sadness. Set a timer or take breaks from screens. Protect your mind from negativity. Evening routine. 13. Prepare a light dinner. Avoid skipping dinner. Choose simple, nourishing foods like soup, fish, rice, or vegetables. Eating well helps your brain recover. 14. Reflect on the day. Write down what you accomplished, no matter how small. I took a shower. I made my bed. Recognizing small wins builds hope. 15. Gentle movement again. Take a short walk after dinner, or stretch before bed. Light movement improves digestion and relaxes the body. 16. Connect with calmness. Do something peaceful before sleep, listen to calming music, read a book, or meditate. This helps your brain slow down. Night routine. 17. Set a consistent bedtime. Go to bed at the same time each night. A regular sleep schedule restores your body and mind. 18. Avoid screens before sleep. Phones and TV stimulate your brain. Instead, dim the lights, breathe slowly, and let your body relax. 19. Practice sleep affirmations. Before closing your eyes, say to yourself, "I am safe. I did enough today. Tomorrow is a new chance. Affirmations give your mind peace before rest. Let's quickly review this daily routine for beating depression. Wake up on time, drink water, and get sunlight. Move your body and eat nourishing meals. Break tasks into small steps and stay connected with people. Practice gratitude, limit negativity, and find small joys. Keep a calm evening routine and a steady bedtime. Remember, depression does not go away overnight. Healing takes time. But every small step you take builds strength. Even if you can't follow the full routine, pick just one habit to start with. Then slowly add more. You are not defined by depression. You are more than your struggle, and with daily care, your mind and body can heal.